Look at all of these jalapeno peppers here. Look how big y'all are. Got a lot of y'all growing here. Okay. Look at here. Gotta harvest these jalapeno peppers today. Okay. See some more growing. Look at the blooms on you. I see you. Any over here on this plant over here? I don't see any. Let me look closely. Let me look closer on here. Oh, there you are. I see you. I see you. Okay. Oh, look at you back there too. Okay. Got several jalapeno peppers to harvest today. Let me get busy harvesting these peppers. Look at all this okra that I'm finding when I came back from out of town. Look how big. Okay, okra. Okay, let me harvest some okra today. See another one over there. On this hot Sunday evening. Harvest me some okra. Okay, now I have okra and jalapeno peppers that I have harvested for today. Okay, all grown in Big Mama's garden. Butternut squash and zucchini sprouting up over here. Come on, squash and zucchini. Grow us a lot of big vegetables here. The sun was steaming down on them, like it was killing some of them, but I gave them some super juice and they look like they sprouted all back up. Okay. Come on, squash and zucchini. Grow big and beautiful squash and zucchini for us. I have a lot of these asparagus beans growing back again, but they having a lot of aphids that like crawling on them, that I gotta wash them down real good before I bring them inside. Okay. Let me harvest these asparagus beans soon. I have my Jamaican sorrel plant growing bigger now. Come on, Jamaican sorrel. And I have another okra plant growing over here. Come on, okra. And my pomegranate tree. Come on, pomegranate. Come on up. I have some more Jamaican sorrel finally sprouting up in this container. My sweet potato slips are growing big and beautiful here. Got some look like they been ate up by something. They still hanging in here. Come on, sweet potatoes. Grow some beautiful big sweet potatoes this season.